Page 14, up on the housetop. 4/4 times. We're counting to 4. We're counting quarter notes. We've got eighth notes all over the place. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and blah blah blah. At the beginning, you're starting second finger on D, put you here. On the left hand, when it plays, the second finger on B, so you're in middle C position. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That's pretty much as hard as it gets right there. If you got that, you got it. Let's look at page 16. Let's go all the way down to the last 2 lines on page 16. So this would be the 4th line down. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I mean, it's like, that's it. The last line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So you work out the notes and the rhythms, get it all worked out where you can play it. Be sure and put in the phrasing. You want to lift up between, just a little lift up between the phrases. So at the end of the line on page 14, when you play that, before you go to page 15, it's a new phrase, so you lift up. So there's a little silence between the D and the E. The first note on page 15 is an E. So you're going one to the other. Lift up, so there's silence. And do that between all the phrases. I like to play this with you slowly. After you've learned it, you go learn it and then come back and play it with me. And we'll make sure you got the right notes and the right rhythms and all that. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. You put your hands in middle C position, and here we go. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 3 and 4 and off. There's a duet at the bottom of page 14. I'd like to play that, and you play this part we just did. But again, as usual, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C, it goes up here. Put your hands up here and play it all up here. We're going to speed this up because this is a somewhat happy piece. It's not a fast piece. It's just... it's a little fast. I mean, we may not take it full speed, but we're going to speed it up. So I'll give us 4 counts. Put your hands in middle C position up here, and here we go. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2